gearheads?
What's up, gearheads?
Hey guys, today we're gonna mount the gas tank.
So what do we have here?
We have a 46 Chevy truck with a 5.3 LS.
And so the LS needs a gas tank, and we're not running the bench bomb in the cab. We ripped that out, and I've been searching on the internet, and I can't find any companies or anybody that makes a retrofit tank for the 46 era truck. You can get the newer style or the square bodies, but no one really does anything with these kind of trucks. I picked this one up, and this is a 67 to 68 Mustang tank. And the reason why I got these is because it has a flange all the way around it, because the old Mustangs bolted in through their trunk. This is an EFI ready tank, so it's baffled, and it came with the fuel pump, sending unit, and all the good stuff to go in it. And it's rated up to about 600 horsepower, the pump is, and then it'll feed that LS motor just fine.
So we picked up this tubing, these welding pieces, and we're gonna weld them on to here.
Let's take this tab.
Yep.
This is how it's gonna sit. You bolt it down. You wanna come do one? No, it's upside down. It's kind of weird. You still gotta figure out what way is righty-tighty. Hold it right next to it. You want to keep the helmet down. Can you see through the helmet?
Yeah.
You want to keep it right there at that edge, and then hit the trigger.
Okay.
And get the pipe ready.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah, go ahead and send it. There you go. Let's see if you can get that one. Can you hold it? See, like what I like to do is hold both things. Put my hand here so it's nice and steady. It's ready. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Ooh, not bad. Get like one more over here on this corner, okay? Just hold it for a little bit longer. Does it stay? It held. That's good. All right. Let's bolt on this other side. Are you gonna weld on the next pipe?
Yeah.
All right. You have to drill a hole and put one in the middle. That's aggravating. It's not the same as the other side. It's gonna bother me.
I imagine.
Let's drill the hole in the gas tank. You know, another cool thing about these Mustang tanks, this is the filler tube right here.
Yeah.
And we can put this straight up into the bed. Alright, okay, you focused? I'm gonna turn the welder on, so don't touch metal with that torch, okay? Okay?
Yep.
I mean, you'll be safe because you got the goggles on. Okay, hey, focus.
Yep, I'm not looking.
Focus. Here comes the other monster. Focus.
Wait, what?
He's almost here.
Center
Around the corner.
Back. Let me see what you're doing. Oh, I think you got her, man. You got her.
Got it. How you gonna do it?
Okay, shut that off next time. Here, shut it out. What's up, dude?
I need to fix it too.
What?
He wants to fix it
You
too.
want to fix it too?
Hey guys, this is my cousin, Big Groot.
What's up, gearheads?
What's up, gearheads?
What's up, gearheads?
Okay, let's do this. Yep. I think you actually got it. Careful, don't touch metal with that.
Right.
That's just a flux core. It's gonna spark no matter what if you got the trigger pushed or not. How's that? There you go. All right, come down here to this end. Tell me when you're done so I can look.
Look, done.
Got it. Nailed it.
Can I take it off?
Take it off.
Woo!
Day 2 of the gas tank.
Yep.
Little E. He's at a birthday party, so he's not gonna make it today. Get a
Yeah.
little warmer out. Big boy's guarding the only snow we have left. Grandpa's been looking all over. He finally found the dashboard for your truck. It's in bad shape though, buddy.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Dad,
Well-
what happened to your face?
Your mom likes it this way. Ready? Let's finish up these sides. Suit up. There you go again.
Good.
So try to hold it with 2 hands and just pick a spot and try not to walk it a lot. Just hold it right there in that crack. Try to hold it up high. Okay, hold on, let me get her ready. Let's see where you're going.
Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
Dude, that's a good weld. Okay, you got it. Alright dude, you got your tabs welded?
Yep.
Now we gotta weld the pipe. We'll get a tack in each one of these corners. I'll line it up for you. Gear up. Hold her still and send it. Try not to weld the clamp onto the pipe.
It's right, and she like to what you want.
Oh, that's a good one. That's the best one yet. That's awesome, man. What do you think? Is that fun? Is that fun?
Yep.
Alright, dude. I got one more thing. Overkill. Sweet! Stickers for the hood. That's the best part right there. I think of these. I picked these up on eBay or something like that. It's a bit much, a little bit overkill. Pretty cool, huh? Point right out on the end. There you go. Send it. Get right there, man.
So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Let's see. Oh, good tack, man. Good tacking. Good job. You done?
Did I get that?
Oh, you got it.
Yep.
Here, let me take the clamp off. Let me check it. There you go. All yours. What did you get? Oh yeah. One more? Look at that. Look how square that is. Not bad for a couple Michigan boys, right? Who didn't use a tape measure on this entire project. Good. There's another lesson before you start welding. You take all the flammable stuff and move it do that on the next guy. Oh man, look at that weld. Alright man, you had enough? Cool, we got our gussets, we got our tabs, frame. What do you think, you had enough?
Yeah.
We'll take this home and we'll finish welding all the seams and quit jacking up Grandpa's electric bill.
Yep.
Cool, we'll take it home. And then we'll grab your little brother, we'll come back and we'll weld this into the truck frame.
Yeah.
Cool?
Yep. Bye, guys.
See ya.
See you next time.
But your brother E's not here, what would he say?
Like and subscribe. Tickle the bell icon.